Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well, reading, writing and having a good time with your family. Welcome to the class preparatory and I am your class teacher Misbah Zafar. This is your English copy and take out the page number 3 and write down the date here, 6 July 2020. Okay, let's start writing. First we write A. Make a small circle from the left. Put your pencil on upper dot and make a straight line between two blue lines and make a little curve. Then we write B. Make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot and make a small half circle from right side. A, ba. Then we write a K, make a half circle between two blue lines from upper dot to lower dot. Then we write Da, make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot and make a half circle from left side. A, ba, K, Da. Then we write A. First we make a half circle from upper dot to lower dot and make a little curve inside. Now let's write. First we make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot like this and make a little curve from upper dot to lower dot like this. Then make a little line on this blue line. Then we write G. First we make a straight line from this upper dot to this lower dot like this and make a half circle from the left side and make a little curve from this dot to upward, just half curve. G. Then we write a H. Make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot and make a curve from this upper side to lower side between these two blue lines. H. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H. Then we write E. First we make a little straight line in these two middle blue line from this dot to this dot. Make a little line and make a dot right here. E. Then we write Ja. First we make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot then make a curve and make a dot right here, middle of these two lines right here. J. Then we are going to write curve. First we make a straight line from upper dot to this lower dot. Make a straight line with me Then make a little line from this blue line, to the middle, in the middle of these two lines, and then make a line from the half of this line and join it here. Kha. Then we are going to write la. First we make a straight line from this dot to this lower dot. La. First you make a 3 straight line from this dot to this dot with a small gap. Then make a curve on upper side like this. Then we write first make a straight line from this dot to this dot, and with a small gap make another line and curve from upper side. Make a little curve from upper side. Let's write O. First, just make a small circle between these two lines. O. Then Pa. First you make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot and make a half circle from right side between these two blue lines. Then we write Qua. First you write a straight line like this from this dot to this dot, then make a half circle from left. Let's write R. First we make a line from this dot to this dot like this, and make a little curve from this side to touch with line like this. Then we write S. First make a half circle from the right side and then make a half circle from the left side like this, join with the dot. Let's make a T. First we make a straight line from this line to this line and make a little curve from lower side, half curve from the lower side, and make a little line on this blue line like this. Let's make A. First you make a straight line from this dot to this dot, and with a small gap make another line like this, then curve from the lower side and make a little curve from up like this. Let's write First you make a straight line from this upper dot to this lower dot, and then make another line from this upper dot to this dot, and this is Then we write Va. First put the finger there and then make a straight line from upper dot to lower dot, and then another line from this dot to this dot, and make a straight line like this and this. Va. Let's write X. First make a line from this dot to this dot and then make another line from this dot to this dot. Right? Yeah. First make a straight line from this upper dot to this lower dot. Make a straight line, then make a little half curve like this. Okay, then make a straight line like this and join it. Yeah, let's write Z. Join these two dots. Join this upper dot to this lower dot like this and join these two dots. Z. Let's read with me. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.